I just wanna keep playing this game till you come back home and you take my phone away. I'm gonna wait. Fappy Bird? Keep playing this game. Let's go! Okay, ready? Fappy Bird. Ooh, this looks easy enough. This is too easy. Oh, snap. Okay. Well, it's not that bad. Let's see. How am I doing in the leaderboards? I don't want this. Go away. Hit the road, Jack. No, what? What the don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. What? Okay, that was sad. And, ooh, it's nighttime now. Ooh, I'm like a ninja. Look, keep playing this game. No! I can't get past 3, you know? It's just... Can I go up into space? Oh, I can't. Dang it. Yeah. Ooh, I'm green now. I'm like a eco bird. I could have been 5. Oh, what is this? Ew. Aww. Yay. No, I already have a dog. But that is pretty nice. That's a really good application. Yes. For those who do not know, that's what apps are called. Give it the program. Huh? What'd you do to me? What'd you do to me? Ooh. What? That was just me being stupid. I'm trying to get to 10. How hard could it be to get to 10? I mean, it's okay. Yeah, it's gonna be hard. You might be here for a long time, folks. No, yes. Yes! No! This again? No, no, no. Aw, no. I got 6. Yeah! So it is possible. Okay, I'm just gonna try to do 7. I'm not gonna make my standards that high anymore. I mean, because it's really hard to get even where I am right now. So, oh my gosh, I just got kind of reckless with it. No, that was stupid. That was stupid. That was stupid. Flappy Bird, Flappy Bird, is my war zone. No, I couldn't help that though. That was not my fault right there. That was not. Okay, kind of was. No, go away. Go away. How do I just get you? Yeah, there we go. I will get to 10. I shall do it. Okay, no, I'm just doing it to 7 because 10's way too hard. Okay, maybe it's not. I got to 8. Maybe try to get to 9. Maybe not 10, but maybe 9. No, I couldn't help. I'm sorry. Is it too late now to say no? Jump in the Cadillac, girl, let's get some chicken. Jump in the Cadillac, girl, let's get some chicken nuggets. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. I said that. I was like, no, just go away. And I was like, haters, haters, haters. Oh, I know you hate me. You hate my hair. Oh, God. I know you hate me. Oh, you hate my hair. Oh, and I say bad words. Oh, I'm always there. Oh, I'm really bad. My songs are cheap. And I cuss a lot like beep, 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 beep. And I was like, haters, haters, haters. Oh, who like haters, haters, haters. No, who like haters, haters, haters. Oh, I thought you would always hate my face. It was so tacky. You might see a version of that in Tech Studios. No! I thought you always see my face. I know you hate me, you hate my hair. Oh, wait. You shot whatever, but I'm never there. No. I'm really sad. I'm really cheap. And oh, sorry. I'll I'll just do a whole new verse. I know you hate me, you hate my soul, and everyone cries wherever I go. I know it's sad, but I'm on fleek, and I'm really, really cheap. And I was like, haters. Oh, okay. Jump in the Cadillac, now let's get some chicken nuggets. Anywhere you want, just put a smile on it. You deserve the money, you deserve them all. And only for 5 million bucks, ketchup and fries, alright. We gonna be tonight. Lucky for you, that's what I'm. Okay, sorry. I will get to 9. I won't stop till I get to 9. Then you'll be relieved. No! Okay, that's it. I'm getting really angry. You don't want me angry. What is that? That's scary. Wait, was he having a baby? I don't know. Okay. I know you hate me. You hate my... Oh, okay. There we go. Yeah. Now we're going. What? I did not do that. I just... Okay, yeah, I can't do that. Okay. I will get to 9. What the flip? No, one extra. Ugh. This game is so annoying. Seriously, try to get to 9, and I bet you're gonna get so annoyed. Because it's hard not to get annoyed. It feels like I've been here for hours. It's only been for like 7 minutes. Well, actually, almost 8 minutes now. What the heck? Oh, I'm blue now. Yay, I feel happy blue. I know you hate me. You hate my... That's how we sound, so... No! What the flap? Oh, it's nice. Maybe I'm Batman. Maybe I'm Batbird. Dee-da-dee-da-doo. Dee-da-dee-da-doo. Have you ever heard the story of the bat, the bee, and the something? So, the mammals and the birds, they were having this huge fight. And the bat, well, she wanted to be on the team, but she wanted to be on the winning team. So, she saw one day that the birds were winning. So, she went over to them and said, hi. And she wanted to join them. And then she said to them, would it be okay if I, ugh. Oh, stop for a second. Would it be okay if I hung out with you for a little bit, because like you're winning and stuff, blah, blah, blah. And you're like, no, you're a blah, blah, whatever mammal thing, not bird. And it's like, yeah, I am a bird. Look at my wings, me out, I'm flying. And she's like, okay, sure, you can hang out with us. So she decided to hang out again and look out on everyone because she was too lazy to fight. And then she found that this day the mammals were winning. All the other animals were winning. And she's like, maybe I should just side with them. So she went over to them. They're like, no, get away this bird. She's like, no, I'm not a bird. I'm furry. And yeah, I'm a really close relative of the mice. And the mice are like, yes, you're a keeper. So finally the war ended in a tie. And everyone was happy. Well, everyone except for the bat. Because the bat was hanging out, and they were like, wait a minute. They're like, let's go celebrate together. It's like, the bat, come on, bat, let's go over to our side. It's like, no, the bat's on our side. And the lion decided, well, since the bat was a brat, we're gonna curse you and stuff. And I guess I'm only gonna get to 8. So now you are only allowed to hang out at night, so no one will have to see your hideous face and stuff. I know you hate me. You hate my hair. I know you hate me. You hate my hair. Ow. Beak first!